Wow, this toy maker is definitely not playing around.
In Omaha, Nebraska, Steve Baldwin has been creating classic toys with award-winning craftsmanship for 41 years. It all started with his first design, the rumble seat car. That success drove him to create other kinds of cars, buses, trains, bicycles, and diners. He even makes an ark, complete with a pair of giraffes.
You never work if you do something you love, so I'll do it forever, as long as I can.
Steve's designs stem from his childhood love of cars, but there's more here than meets the eye. Every one of them is also a puzzle.
Steve, these do not look like any puzzle I have ever seen. Are all of these puzzles, or is it just these?
No, everything we do is a puzzle, from the big cars to the small cars, and this is probably one you could probably do, maybe.
What?
It's meant for a 2-year-old.
Oh, then I can't get
No,
this.
it's all, watch. Here's you look at it.
Ah,
You can do that part.
look at that. Oh gosh.
Oh no, you broke it.
Oh no. That is so cool.
The first model Steve made 40 years ago is still his most popular. He uses a variety of woods for his toys, but the rumble seat requires a specific kind of wood with an interesting grain pattern.
Primary wood is the walnut. This right here is what I use for the car. You'll want to pick out a piece.
This is beautiful, beautiful wood.
So you like this one?
I do.
We're gonna take it like this, and then we run it through the planer, and then we'll show you what it looks like, which one you picked out. What do you think?
Oh my gosh.
Did you pick a good one?
I picked a good one.
You did.
Steve has handmade the jigs that are the outline for the small car parts. I trace what will be the fenders.
Look at that. I can do something artsy. My nails got in the way.
Oh, I know, I didn't mind this morning.
Steve has glued several rich, colorful blocks of wood together.
This is cherry, which is a lighter color to give you that stripe effect. And this is Paduke. It's of the rosewood family. And don't ask me how to spell it. That just gives you that nice contrast.
Yeah.
And it'll stay red like that. So
Okay.
these are going to be the seats. And you trace it out. And to save wood, we're going to go like this.
What do you do with all of your unused wood or all of your...
There's not such a thing. Because all the way down to the steering wheels, the hubcaps, all those little
You have tiny little pieces, so
we
you
use
can use
everything.
Each piece is cut on the bandsaw. You know, I've seen a lot of bandsaw work, but Steve, he's got it going on.
Quick and nimble Steve, that's what they call you, huh?
You ready?
Yeah, I guess. What's that sound?
Oh, that's the blade just kind of...
That's the blade being unhappy.
It's being nervous.
All right, Steve, we have 2 pieces so far. How many pieces do we have left to cut for the car?
30.
Look at that! I didn't see that coming there, did you,
No, I
Stevie
didn't.
boy?
No, that was
Me
good.
either, actually.
It takes 13 hours to make all the car pieces. The smallest is the hubcap, which is a mere 3/4 of an inch by 1/2 an inch. And the rumble seat is only one of the models Steve offers.
How many cars have you actually made since you've been starting?
Thousands.
All right, so we have all of our pieces. Now we're gonna just put the car together, right?
Well, we got to make some small pieces now. So we're going to go over to the lathe and make all these little pieces.
They get smaller than this. Chris, I have learned personally that your father-in-law is a very good teacher. And is that who you learned from as well?
Yes. Everything that we're doing, he's shown me how to do.
Chris shows me how to create the headlights of the rumble seat at the lathe. He uses carving tools to first shave the maple wood into a cylinder, then shape it into tiny car lights.
All right. That was fast.
I know.
The headlights are separated on the bandsaw, then drilled to make room for the walnut dowel bulb.
Really doesn't feel like that's gonna go in.
It will.
It will?
You gotta smash.
Okay.
Smash it.
All right, here we go, smashing.
Got it.
Steve, I think you're gonna be very happy.
Ooh.
Look what I made.
Oh, those are nice.
Chris helped me.
Oh no, they look like you
They're
did.
great, right?
Yeah. This is my favorite part.
This is your favorite part.
Yeah, watch.
Okay.
We don't use stain because we want the natural beauty of the wood to come out. And so we just use a natural oil finish on them. Ooh.
Oh,
Isn't that neat? Look at that.
oh my goodness.
I know.
I can see why this is your favorite part.
Now watch this one. This is gonna be good. Oh, look at that with the red. Yeah, I like that.
Does this ever get old to you?
Nope.
The natural Danish oil dries for 2 hours, and then it's time to see if this puzzle fits together.
All right, we're here. We're at the finish line, so to speak. And we have all of our pieces. Now you're gonna help me assemble this.
This rumble seat puzzle requires 32 pieces, including a base, wheels, hubcaps, fenders, seats, headlights, a trunk, a hood, a grille, a roof, doors, and a steering wheel. It rolls in at $350.
Look how beautiful that all fits together.
Well, you did a good job.
This is like the most fun puzzle I've ever done. And I actually like to do puzzles.
There you go. Perfect.
She is ready to be driven
Our
off the
little
lot.
rumble seat.
I tell you, what Steve makes is small, but his passion for his craft, well, that fills an entire room.